Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the first 4 questions of exercise 16.1. In these you have to find the values of the letter in each of the following and give reasons for the step involved. Okay, now let's solve the first part. Here you have to add 3a with 2, 5 and the result must be b and 2. You have to find the values of a and b here. So what are the possible values here? Now, let's check from the right hand side. If I add something with 5 and the result is 2. So what are the possible values of a? So if I substitute the value of a as 0, so 5 plus 0 will be 5, 5 plus 1 will be 6, 5 plus 2 will be 7 and so on. So the answer here must be 2. So this can only be possible when the sum of a and 5 is 12. Then only the last digit will be 2. So if I have to add a and 5 and the result is 12, so the value of a here must be 7. So this is 5 plus 7 is 12. And 1 carry, and 3 plus 2 is 5 and there was a 1 carry, so the answer here must be 62. So here the value of a must be 7 and value of b must be 6. Similarly, let's solve this question. In this case I have to add a with 8 to make this 13, means then only the unit digit will be 3. So the value of a here must be equals to 5. Then only 8 plus 5 will be 13, carry 1, and 4 plus 9 is again 13 and carry 1, so the value will be 14. So in this case the value of a must be 5, value of b must be 4 and value of c must be 1. Now the third question is about multiplication. In this case, you have to multiply two same digits and the result must also be the same digit. So, obviously we have 9 digits with us. If I multiply 0 with 0, so the answer must be 0. So, this is the first possible value of a as 0. If I multiply 1 with 1, so the result will be 1. So, the another value of a must be 1. If I multiply 2 with 2, so the result will be 4. So this is correct. This is wrong. 3 into 3 is 9. This is again wrong. 4 into 4 is 16. So the last digit won't be 4. This is again wrong. 5 into 5 is 5. So 5 can be the value of a, and similarly 6 can be the value of a, and there is no other possible value of a for which if you multiply the same value and the last digit is same. So these are the possible values of a. So if I substitute here 0, so 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, but 0 multiplied by 0 is not 9. So this is not the correct answer. If I multiply 1 with 1, so this will be 1, and 1 with 1 will be 1, not 9. So this is not again the correct answer. If I substitute here 5, so 5 multiplied by 5 is, I am substituting this as this. So 5 into 5 is 25, carry 2. So 5 into 5 is 5 and there was 2 carry. So this will become 75, not 9. So again 5 is a wrong answer. At last, let's suppose the value of a as 6. So 16 into 6. 6 into 6 is 36, carry 3. 6 into 1 is 6 and carry 3 is 96. So in that case, this is 90. So the value of a here must be equals to 6. So 6 is the correct answer for this third question. Now let's solve the last one. In this case, it is better to suppose from the left, because from the right, it will make your calculation very difficult. In this case, I have to add 3 with something and the result is 6. So what are the possible values of a here? So obviously, if I add 3 plus 3, so the result will be 6. So the first value of A here must be 3. In that case, this will become 3, B, 3, 7 and 6, and here the value of A is 3. But in this case, if I have to add something to 7 and the result is 3, so the value of B here must be 6. Then only 6 plus 7 will be 13, but there will be one carry. So in that case, this 6 will become 7. So obviously this is the wrong answer here. Now obviously the value of A here cannot be more than 3. In that case, this will automatically become 7. So the value of A here must be equals to 3 or less than 3. So if 3 is not the correct answer, let's suppose the value of A here as 2. In that case, this value will become 2, B, 3, 7, and this is plus, this is 6, and this is 2. In that case, this is 7 plus something and the result is 12. So if the value of B here is 5, so if the value of B here is 5, so 7 plus 5 is 12, that is unit digit 2, and 1 is carry, and 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 carry, so the result is 6. So these are the correct values of A and B. So here the value of A must be 2 and the value of B must be 5. So this is how you can solve these questions. I hope you have understood how these questions can be solved. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problem in maths, you can write to us. You can even call us. The phone number and the email address is given below in the description. Thank you.